The rise of the machines. AI's rapid growth and dominance, artificial intelligence or AI, is rapidly changing the world. The AI market is enormous. It is worth hundreds of billions of dollars. Experts predict it will be worth trillions in just a few years. This explosive growth is fueled by the increasing demand for AI solutions across industries. Companies are eager to use AI. They want to improve efficiency and make better decisions. AI is a top priority for most businesses. This widespread adoption is driving innovation. It's also leading to the development of new AI technologies. This rapid expansion of AI is transforming many aspects of our lives. From healthcare to finance, AI is automating tasks. It is also providing valuable insights. This revolution is not without its challenges. One major concern is the impact of AI on jobs. Many people fear that AI will lead to widespread job losses. It is crucial to understand the potential impact of AI. We must also consider how to navigate this new landscape. AI and the future of work. Job creation versus job displacement. The impact of AI on jobs is a complex issue. AI will undoubtedly automate many existing jobs. This could lead to job displacement in certain sectors. However, AI will also create new jobs. These jobs will require different skills. AI will change the job market as we know it. It will not be a simple case of machines replacing humans. Instead, it will be a shift in the types of tasks that are performed by humans and machines. Some experts believe that AI will create more jobs than it displaces. Others argue that the opposite is true. Regardless of the exact numbers, it is clear that AI will have a significant impact on the workforce. It is essential to be prepared for these changes. We must adapt our skills and embrace lifelong learning. Governments and educational institutions have a critical role to play. They need to provide support and training to help workers transition into new roles. Who's at risk? AI's impact on specific job types. The impact of AI will be felt differently across different industries and job types. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks or data analysis are most susceptible to automation. For example, AI-powered chatbots are already replacing customer service representatives in some industries. Other jobs at risk include data entry clerks, truck drivers, and factory workers. These jobs often involve tasks that can be easily automated by machines. On the other hand, jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are less likely to be fully automated. These jobs include artists, designers, entrepreneurs, and leaders. While AI can assist with certain tasks, it cannot replicate the human touch that is essential in these professions. It is important to note that this is not an exhaustive list. The specific impact of AI will vary depending on the industry and the nature of the work. Navigating the AI revolution: challenges, opportunities, and the future of work. The rise of AI presents both challenges and opportunities. One of the biggest challenges is addressing the potential for job displacement. Governments and businesses need to work together to ensure that workers are not left behind. Another challenge is ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly. This includes addressing ethical concerns such as bias in algorithms and the potential for misuse. Despite these challenges, AI also offers tremendous opportunities. It has the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. From healthcare to education, AI can help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. The key is to embrace the potential of AI while also mitigating the risks. This will require a collaborative effort from governments, businesses, and individuals. The future of work with AI is uncertain. However, one thing is clear: we must be prepared to adapt and evolve. By embracing lifelong learning and fostering a culture of innovation, we can navigate this new era and harness the power of AI for the betterment of humanity.